Hey guys, so found some more bugs. I did the inviter. This is Yahoo, and it basically looks like I don't have any friends. That's the only thing. It only pulled 3 people from my Yahoo account. When I did invite friends. This was our Mega Revolution Twitter page, where I have 367 followers, and it only pulled John. This was LinkedIn, which is fine, except I can't share link, and it asked me to do that, so we came and do that one. And then Facebook's, let's go ahead and I'll just walk you through that one. So I tried to do Facebook's. Dialog has been passed a bad parameter, AP code 100, invalid parameter. So that means that we hooked up. We'll do mine, why not? And then you guys, I guess you guys already know, back to safety. It just wouldn't do it, so. Oh, you know what I did? I did something wrong. That's right. So, there, advanced, go to megalife.com. For some reason it thinks it's unsafe. Allow. And now it's saying I don't have any context. I can assure you I do. I have business context in that one. So they're not grabbing them. So I figured to give you the heads up. I mean, we got an NPR interview tomorrow and some press releases, so have a fun night, guys.